Struggling to fill your rooms? Learn how a well-planned marketing strategy can turn the tide for your hotel. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of hotel knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning the fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Every successful hotel starts with a solid marketing strategy. It's just not a box to tick, but a cornerstone for your property's growth and sustainability. Today, I'm going to talk about the importance of developing a robust marketing strategy for your hotel. Remember, marketing is not just a necessity, it's your game plan for getting heads in your beds. Did you hear the great news? The Check-in to Success, Building and Running Your Hotel Business course has been revitalized and relaunched. Dive into hotel success with our course, Check-in to Success, Building and Running Your Hotel Business. Perfect for new and seasoned hoteliers. This 12-module journey covers everything from management to guest experience. With 85 lessons across videos, MP3s, and PDFs, plus quizzes to test your knowledge, you'll gain practical skills and insights to elevate your hotel business. Discover modules on market research, financial management, team building, branding, and more. Start now and turn your hotel dream into a reality. Click the link to see how you will benefit. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity to elevate your hotel business. Without a clear marketing strategy, your business could easily lose direction. Imagine trying to find a specific address in a new city without a map or GPS. You might get there eventually, but you waste a lot of time and energy. Similarly, a marketing strategy acts as your roadmap, guiding your efforts to ensure they're productive and efficient. Think back to the last time you assembled furniture from IKEA or installed a new software program. Those step-by-step instructions are essential for success. Your marketing strategy serves the same purpose, providing you clear directions to reach your business goals. Having a written marketing plan is crucial. This document should be straightforward and easy to follow. Picture the chaos if your marketing person suddenly left and a new hire has no roadmap to follow. Starting from scratch would be a colossal waste of time and resources. Ideally, you should review and update your marketing strategy annually. This might sound daunting amidst all the daily operations of your hotel, but it's worth taking the time to step back and strategize. Over the years, this process will evolve from creating a strategy to fine-tuning it, enhancing what works, disregarding what doesn't, and exploring new trends. A well-crafted marketing strategy does more than attract guests. It helps your property stand out from competitors. It also unites your employees, giving them a common goal to rally around. A strong marketing plan can invigorate your team, making them feel part of something bigger. Sharing an abridged version of your marketing strategy with your employees can boost their engagement. When presented with enthusiasm, it can foster a sense of ownership and motivation to contribute to your property's success. Some owners argue that planning a marketing strategy is futile because the market's always changing. However, an imperfect plan is better than no plan at all. Without a strategy, you're navigating blindly, which can lead to missed opportunities and inefficiencies. Start by analyzing your current situation. What are your strengths and weaknesses? Who is your target audience? Understanding these factors will help you craft a strategy that plays to your strengths and addresses your weaknesses. Next, set clear and achievable goals. Whether it's increasing occupancy rates or boosting social media engagement, having specific objectives will help you measure your success. Then decide on your tactics. This should include online marketing, social media campaigns, email newsletters, or partnerships with local businesses. Choose methods that align with your goals and resources. Finally, create a timeline and assign responsibilities. This ensures everyone knows what needs to be done and when. Regularly review your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Your employees are your greatest asset. Involve them in your marketing efforts to create a sense of ownership and commitment. Share your strategies with them and encourage their input. When your team feels valued and included, they are more likely to go the extra mile to help your property succeed. Marketing isn't just a set it and forget it task. Regularly review your strategy, track your progress, and be willing to adapt. The hospitality industry is dynamic, and staying flexible will help you stay ahead. Imagine having a treasure trove of hotel management wisdom at your fingertips. That's what you get with our guide. Unlocking Hospitality Success, 25 Must-Know Insights for Independent Hotel Owners. It's your blueprint for building a standout hotel that guests can't resist. Seize this chance and refine hospitality on your terms. Download your free guide from the link in the show notes and start making waves in the hotel industry today. What steps have you taken to develop your marketing strategy? Share your experiences in the comments. Developing a marketing strategy might seem overwhelming, but it is essential for the success of your hotel. It's your roadmap, guiding your efforts and ensuring you're moving in the right direction. Engage your employees, set clear goals, and be ready to adapt. Your marketing strategy will not only help you attract guests, but also create a cohesive, motivated team that works towards a common goal. In the next episode, I will talk about understanding your guests. Well, that's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Keep those lobbies lively, the feedback flowing, and always, always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired.